Hey, history enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming and historical origins of one of America's favorite holidays, Thanksgiving. Join me as we uncover the roots of this cherished tradition and explore how it has evolved over the years. Let's jump into the history of Thanksgiving. Slide 1, The Pilgrims' Arrival. Our journey begins in 1620 when the Mayflower, carrying English pilgrims seeking religious freedom, arrived in what is now Plymouth, Massachusetts. Little did they know, their journey would lay the foundation for a cherished American holiday. Slide 2, The First Thanksgiving. In 1621, after a challenging first year, the Pilgrims celebrated a bountiful harvest with a 3-day feast. They were joined by the Wampanoag people, who played a crucial role in teaching the Pilgrims essential agricultural practices. Slide 3, Thanksgiving becomes a tradition. Thanksgiving wasn't an annual event just yet. It gained popularity sporadically throughout the years, with various colonies and states observing days of thanks. It wasn't until 1863, during the Civil War, that President Abraham Lincoln declared Thanksgiving a national holiday. Slide 4, Thanksgiving traditions. Over the centuries, Thanksgiving has evolved into a day of family gatherings, feasting, and expressing gratitude. Traditional dishes like turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie became staples of the Thanksgiving table. What's your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Slide 5, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Shifting gears to a more recent tradition, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade debuted in 1924 in New York City. This iconic parade has become synonymous with the holiday, featuring giant balloons, floats, and performances. Slide 6, Modern-day celebrations. Today, Thanksgiving is a time for reflection, gratitude, and togetherness. Families and friends gather around the table, expressing thanks for the blessings of the year. It's a celebration that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. As we conclude our journey through the history of Thanksgiving, it's clear that this holiday is not just about food but also about the enduring spirit of gratitude and unity. If you enjoyed this historical exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Thanks for joining us. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving.